Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get notified directly for latest videos. Recipe of healthy cinnamon tea. Hello everyone, welcome. Today I will share the recipe for healthy cinnamon tea. Cinnamon tea is one of the best drinks to heal your body. It is also known as golden milk. Turmeric is not only used in our food, it has great significance in the medical field also. It is also known for its antioxidant property. It has around 100 health benefits. It's not only healthy but also refreshing and tasty drink. It not only helps in weight loss, it also boosts the immunity, improves the digestive system. The ingredients are easily available in our home. Preparation time, 5 minutes. Cooking time, 10 minutes. Total time, 15 minutes. Serve. 2 ingredients of the recipe: 1/2 cinnamon stick, 1 small piece ginger, 1 cloves, 1 star anise, 1/2 holy basil, 3 1/2 cup water, 1 tablespoon lemon. How to prepare: 1 wash and rinse ginger properly. 2 peel and grate the ginger, collect 1/2 tablespoon ginger. 3 heat the water in a pan. When the water is sufficiently hot, add grated ginger to it. Boil it for 2 to 3 minutes. 4 Now add turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, and black pepper to it. Cook it for 5 to 6 minutes. 5 Stir continuously till the extra water gets evaporates. 6 Switch off the flame and serve it to the cups. 7 Add 1/2 tablespoon lemon juice to each cup and stir it. Suggestion: you can add honey while adding lemon juice. You can add black pepper also. So what are you waiting? Just leave your place and make this healthy tea. This recipe will definitely help you. If you like the healthy healing recipe, please like and share with your family and friends.